Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question on SQL, which is customer who bought all products, which is LeetCode 1045. So here is given a column name which is customer ID and product ID, and the type has been given int. Okay, so this table may contain duplicates row. So the table may contain a duplicates row. Customer ID is not null. Customer ID is not null. Product ID isn't foreign key. Of course, if customer ID is not null, means it is in primary key and the foreign key is in product ID. Okay, so you just have to, in a product table there is a product key which is a primary key, so it is act as an foreign key in another table. Okay, so you have to write the solution to report the customer ID from the customer table that bought all the product in product table. So you have to report all the customer ID. You have to return the customer ID who has bought all the product. Okay, you can return it in any order. So here is given a customer table which is customer ID and product key, and product table is given which is 5 and 6. Okay, so you just have to write the code here. First you have to do select customer ID from customer, and then you just have to do group by customer ID having count. You just have to do count distinct product key should be equals to select count product key from product. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, there is here is an error. Okay, I have to use this braces, not curly braces. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.